Download Yamaha RS Venture Repair Manual at 911manual.com. A Download RS Venture Repair Manual is a digitally delivered book of instructions that is based on a complete teardown and rebuild of the entire snowmobile. The RS Venture Repair Manual is aimed at beginner, DIY enthusiasts and professional garage mechanics. The book covers every aspect of service, maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. It can be used as a handy reference for simple and complex repairs. Main chapters include general information, inspection and adjustments, chassis, powertrain, engine, cooling system, carburetor, electrical, specifications, wiring diagrams and troubleshooting. Go to 911manual.com to download our RS Venture Repair Manual now. When you get to 911manual.com, click on the appropriate icons. Then select the manufacturer, year and model repair manual. Then download the manual. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.